744 billion parameters, running on a computer with about 25 gigabytes of memory. That is the whole claim. It's called Colibri, a from-scratch inference engine written in plain C, no dependencies. It runs that same 744 billion parameter model on an ordinary desktop, ready in 32 seconds, under 10 gigabytes held, and answering. Here is the trick. At 4 bits, the full model is about 370 gigabytes, but a mixture of experts model only uses part of itself per word. The dense core never changes, so Colibri holds it in memory under 10 gigabytes and streams the changing experts off the disk. 10 gigabytes held, not 370. There's a second squeeze on attention. Normally, this model stores 32,000 values per token. Colibri's compressed attention stores 576, about 57 times smaller. Long context doesn't blow the footprint back up. Now the catch. Cold, every word means about 11 gigabytes of random disk reads. On the author's own machine, that's a fraction of a token per second until the cache warms. It is plainly not fast, but you can run it at all, on hardware you own, offline. The whole engine is a single C file, around 2,500 lines, no math library, no Python at inference. It's Apache licensed and on GitHub. So that's the takeaway. A frontier-class model you can actually run yourself on a machine you already own, slowly, but for real.